this is Samina Sheikh here, and with me right now I have none other than Nikita Porwal to join me as I welcome her on your Zoom. Lovely crown, and the crown speaks volume, I must say that, being the reigning queen, and how the journey has been for you now at Filmfare.
So it's going to be 1 year at 16th for my Miss India, and I think coming to Filmfare, the little Nikita used to do theatre, and who used to just look at all these film stars and film directors and actors and producers from afar. Now being a part of this red carpet, being a part of this event is something that I think the little younger self in me would be really proud of, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity.
And I must say that basically you look lovely, you look gorgeous, I must say that, Nikita. Any plans to enter the world of acting?
Yeah. Well, I've always wanted to be an actor. I've been doing theatre for the past 6 years. I didn't have plan to come into pageantry, but acting, yes, I always had a plan.
Okay, and before I let you go, one Bollywood dialogue in your own style, theatrical style for the fans out there.
Since this is an evening dedicated to, and we have a special appearance of SRK, Shah Rukh Khan sir, of course. So, उनका डायलॉग जो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करती हूँ इस कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज़ को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें से मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
Wow, wow.
Truly a masterpiece.
And lovely chatting with you, Nikita. I'm definitely looking forward to see your Bollywood debut movie coming true.
Let's manifest.
Let's manifest. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
With me right now, I have the none other than one and only Ayushi Dhola. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely to have you, I must say that as always. But being on stage already, and being a part of Miss India grand finale and getting the title of second runner-up, how the journey has been for you?
I think the entire journey encapsulates in one sentence. Last year, around this time, we were at the stage of Miss India, and cut to 1 year, we are at the stage of Filmfare. It definitely speaks volumes about the journey of gratitude, the journey of growth that we have had, and I'm incredibly grateful to Miss India organization and Filmfare for having us today.
What do you have to say about, about being a part of Filmfare, especially when it comes to red carpet? What do you literally prefer for yourself?
What do I prefer for myself? I would say something that makes me feel confident as well as comfortable, because I know the red carpet of Filmfare is so prestigious. So I want to put my best foot forward, and provided it's happening for the second time in my state, I feel incredibly proud, and I wanted to bring my culture, my love and warmth that I have for the people.
Your fans really adore you and love you for your social media presence, and the way you make videos and all, like literally has kind of impressed all of us, because that's one kind of, ek bolte na hunar hona, and that is what you're blessed with. Are you now kind of opening up to also acting, and do you want to kind of, proceed on that side?
I have always said that being in front of the camera has been my one true love, and I'm always open to anything and everything that has to do with speaking, to performing in front of the camera. So be it social media, be it acting, be it modeling, I'm always open for things, and no better than just giving your talent and showing it to the world. So yeah.
And lastly, is the crown heavy or light, according to your experience?
It is light enough to not let it go, and it's heavy enough to put your best foot forward when you discharge your duties.
Thank you so much, and lovely chatting with you, and all the very best. Thank you.